Hello all, welcome to Shrikari Designs. Today we are showing linen tissue dress materials andi. So what I am wearing also in the same design andi, brown in color andi. Actually this is a two-piece dress material. The bottom radandi, only top and dupatta vastundi, and there is specific neck design undadu. It's a overall manaku booties vastundi. So but I got it stitched the neck design like this. You can go with other patterns also, whatever you like andi. I'll show you the colors andi. So idi green andi, dupatta ila vastundandi. This is the dupatta, and blue andi, indigo blue, anta dark kaadu kani, but it's a kind of blue shade andi. This is the rust top and dupatta, and purple andi. This is the top and this is the dupatta. Thank you.